Welcome. I want to speak briefly about why this studio exists now. There comes a point when speed stops helping, when louder guidance feels less trustworthy than a quiet presence. Not because life has slowed, but because discernment has become necessary. The Resonance Atelier exists as a response to that moment, not as retreat and not as escape, but as a place where wisdom is practiced with care. This space isn't here to replace your judgment, it's here to support clarity, the kind that strengthens your own sense of direction. That's all I wanted to share. Thank you for listening.